Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Wrexham. Today we'd like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Pro. This vehicle features a 79 kWh battery producing up to 286 PS. The vehicle also comes with an automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely candy white colour, this Buzz features daytime running lights, and helping you park and manoeuvre, the van also features a set of front parking sensors. This Buzz sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels finished in a multi-spoke and two-colour design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear-loading barn doors, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, the Buzz features a rear-view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the barn doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space, and access into the load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. Lining the floor is a reinforced wooden flooring, and over on the passenger side of the vehicle we'll find a little storage compartment useful for storing a variety of different things. A black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and taking a look into the cab itself we'll find a total of 3 seats. All the seats come finished in a robust cloth fabric upholstery, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This includes inbuilt navigation, allows you to connect your smartphone device or using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as house a variety of different vehicle menus and settings. Exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel with touch controls, as well as a small digital cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.